Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a fresh Balela salad. I got the recipe from The Simple Veganista and I will link it below for you so that you can snag it if you'd like. But before I do, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on my future videos. It's a Middle Eastern salad with chickpeas, black beans, Roma tomatoes, red onion, parsley, garlic. Did I say cucumber? Last thing is mint. The dressing is a simple mix of olive oil and lemon juice with salt and pepper, and the recipe calls for a spice called sumac. I did not have sumac, but I do have za'atar, and za'atar contains sumac. So if you have za'atar at home, that would work too. All right, I'm gonna leave you now so that you can watch how simple it is to make. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you'll try making the salad. If you haven't yet, subscribe and click the notification bell. And one of the best ways that's free that you can support my channel is by clicking on the links in the description box. And if you're not done watching, I'm going to leave you 2 videos right here so that you can check them out. See you next week. Thank you. Bye.